many times have you looked on social media and seen countless Instagram reels, TikTok videos and YouTube shorts and thought, I want to make something like that, but I just don't know where to start? I'm Asher Oliver, aka Ashman Tunes, and once upon a time, I had no idea where to start. Whilst working as a waiter, I dreamt of making it big in the creative industry, and now, as a result of using YouTube to learn the skills I needed, I'm a self-taught, Emmy-nominated content creator. My persistence paid off when I started creating content for some of the biggest names in the content game. Together with Food Fight Studios, I've worked on various projects including documentaries, concerts, music videos and more. Now, I want to share my journey with you and show you that you don't need a formal education to create amazing video content. If you've ever doubted your abilities or lacked resources, this course is for you. Usually, people are intimidated by the thought of creating content themselves. Well, it's easier than you think and the process is quite simple. And you can do it all from your mobile phone. And I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this, utilizing some of the great features and effects available on Capcut. So, what is Capcut? Capcut is a free video editing app that allows users to edit videos, add special effects, music and text to their footage. It was actually developed by the same team who created TikTok and has gained popularity for its ease of use and its ability to produce professional looking videos without the need for expensive equipment or software, which is exactly what we want. We don't need the latest state-of-the-art technology or the most expensive video camera, lights. Capcut keeps everything super simple so you can make content any place, anytime, any way. So throughout this series, I'll show you recording best practices, how to import your video into Capcut, how to cut that video, how to add B-roll and overlays, add sound effects, music, animated effects, transitions, and then how to export your project and share it to the world. So upon completion of all this, you'll have the skills and the know-how to create great video content and call yourself an established video content creator. And all you need for this course is a mobile phone and the Capcut app. So let's not wait around anymore. Let's get straight into how you record your footage.